Let's see that 3-minute inverse. There's no 2-minute. There is a 1 minute. But I think if the 3-minute inverses, it's also going to inverse the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully that 5 minute is not problematic. But I like the fact that time is in play. It's 10:02. I like the fact that we tap into a higher time frame fair value gap. I like the fact that we swept London, pre-market, and Asia. Tap into a 15-minute. Now I just want to see a nice inversion in alignment with time. Only problem is this 5-minute iFVG, and I'm in.
Order filled.
In these YM shorts here. Stop loss is right above this level. A nice push to the downside here on price. You know, to inverse that 5 minute there. Struggling with that 5 minute. I want us to break through it. Beautiful. Let's keep pushing. You need to inverse that 5 there. Need it. You know, that 5 minute inversion for sure. Nice. Beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. We just inverse this 5 minute. I want to be greedy, bro. I shouldn't be. Let's hit that beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade on the day. Let's do it, man. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. That's exactly how it's done, man. That's exactly how it's freaking done. Love to see some green in my books. But yeah, guys, that is that. We're literally up on the week. Just with one trade, we're up on the freaking week, which is crazy. Just with one 2.5 hour trade. Oh, this was really 2.5 hour because I risked 40 ticks. So 2.5 hour trade, we're literally up on the week. So really just about sticking to the plan, you know? So, oh, look at that. I knew we were going to PML. Pre-market lows. I knew it. But oh well. So this week hasn't really been anything exciting, and I haven't been able to really record because I've been having technical difficulties. So that's why I haven't posted. But beautiful trade today, and that is how it's done. If you guys want to trade live with me, the link is going to be down in my description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anybody that you think may value from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.